Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice exponential problem, that is 3x cubed is equal to 4 factorial. So we have to find the value of x here. Then starting our solution, that 3x cubed is equal to 4 factorial. So this 4 factorial can be written as 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So here we have 3x cubed is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 3x cubed is equal to, here 4 times 3 is 12 times 2 times 1 is 2. So 3x cubed is equal to 24. Now if we just divide this 3 on both hand side, so 3x cubed is equal to, this 24 is 3 times 8, dividing 3 on both hand side. Now cancel 3 with 3, here cancel 3 with 3, so we have x cubed is equal to 8. X cubed is equal to 8. Now shifting this 8 to our left hand side, then it will be x cubed minus 8, that is equal to 0. Now x cubed minus 8, here we use exponential, that algebraic formula, which is a cubed minus b cubed, that is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So here x cubed minus 8 is 2 cubed is equal to 0. Using this law here, then we have x minus 2 times x squared plus 2 times x plus 2 squared is 4, that is equal to 0. Now we have two possible cases, that is x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x squared plus 2 times x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 2, it is our first solution. So for second solution, here we have to use that quadratic formula because it is a nice quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is x squared plus b times x plus c is equal to 0. Now here value of a, here it is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 4. So using quadratic formula, here we have x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So x is equal to minus b is 2 minus 2 plus minus b squared is 2 squared and minus 4 times a is 1, c is 4 all over 2 times a is 1. Now x is equal to, here x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 squared is equal to 4 and 4 times 4 is 16 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So our next step is minus 2 plus minus, here we get minus 12 square root all over 2. So x is equal to, writing this minus 12 separately under square root, so we have minus 2 plus minus square root of 12 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. Now minus 2 plus minus square root of 12, that is equal to 4 times 3 is 12 and this minus 1 square root is equal to I all over 2. So our next step will be x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 is equal to 2 times square root of 3 I all over 2. So if we take 2 is common, we have minus 1 plus minus square root of 3i all over 2. Cancelling 2 with 2, we have x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 3i. So it is our value of x2 and x3 and it is a complex solution, as we see that it is a complex solution. So here we have real as well as complex solution. So if we want to just verify our answer by using this real solution here, so we can just verify that x1 is equal to 2. So here our final values is x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 3i, and x3 is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 3i. It is our final answer, but we have to just prove this answer only using this real solution here. So here it is our answer. Now let's check our problem here. As we know that our problem is 3x cube is equal to 4 factorial. So if x is equal to 2, then it will be 3 times 2 cubed. That is it equal to 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Here we have 3 times 2 cubed is equal to 8. Is it equal to 4 times 3 is 12 times 2 is 24. So 8 times 3 is 24 is equal to 24. Hence we prove that our left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side of this equation. So it is valid solution, as well as we have complex solution. So it is our final answer. Now we are going to check our entire solution here step by step. That's it for today, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.